Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Be nice to have a look at this Ariston. It's leaking. We're going to diagnose it and we're going to repair it in this film, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now in Birmingham we don't really get much Aristons to work on. They're kind of fading out now. So anyway, this one, you're going to take the panel off and let's see what's happening to it and where it's leaking from. Right, so it's leaking right at the back there, just underneath the plate heat exchanger. Now, I got a confession to make here. I really thought the washers on plate exchanger were worn out and it's leaking because of that. But I did have some. I tried them out. Unfortunately, that wasn't the problem. The actual problem was this baby here. The return manifold monoblock, whatever you want to call it, is leaking. So anyway, got myself one of them and there's more issues on that. Now there's two types of these monoblocks, one with a bypass and one without it. Now according to the serial number, this boiler shouldn't have a bypass on it, but it did. So I don't know what happened there. So anyway, I got the monoblock without the bypass, which was capped off. So even if you put a bypass pipe on it, it wouldn't fit in. Whereas actually it's confusing, isn't it? So basically what's happening is it's a wrong. The boiler serial number shouldn't have a bypass on it, but it actually did have a bypass on it. So basically I spent a few hours fitting it in, taking it out, fitting it in, it's leaking again, taking it out. So see if I could try this, try that. But eventually I had to give up. I found a gas center in Solihull who are absolutely brilliant. They said, bring it back, we'll change it for you. So I took it back, changed it, and it came back the next day. Now in this film, I take the block out once and I put the new one in once. But it's a long story on this one. I've just shared it with you. But I'm well experienced at changing the monoblocks on this boiler now. I could do it in about half an hour now. Keep watching, enjoy the film and see what happens. Now you guys might have noticed, right, I left the return pipe brass fitting in there. The reason being is you can't get a spanner in from underneath. You can on the cold water inlet. Got that open, but they couldn't get my spanner in for the return inlet, return pipe. So I left the brass fitting in it. All you got to do is put a flat screwdriver in and just ledge it up, and it pushes into that monoblock, and then just clip it in. That's what you got to do. So it's a lot easier this way. Now just make sure you put the new washer in though. Now I'm gonna remember this job for so many years to come. Remember, I've just finished fitting in the wrong monoblock now, so I gotta take it all back out, and I'll figure out that this is the wrong block for it. There you go. I've taken it all back out. Now I gotta tell the customer, the dreaded news, that this is the wrong block for it, and I have to come back the next day or the 2 days. Well, I gotta order it, and it's gonna take another 2 days for the block to come. Right, I'm back 2 days later with the correct part. This time I'll put the bypass in first. Now guys, it looks hard, but trust me, it ain't. Once it goes into place, right, everything else after that just clips in. That's what it is. So don't be afraid of taking on a job like this. I forgot to put the pump washer in. I should have done that at the beginning, but it's not a big deal. It just goes in now. Right, the return pipe is secured and clipped in. Well, I think that's probably one of the hardest jobs on this. But that's done. It wouldn't take that long. As long as you put a flat screwdriver and just pushes it up. And now the other side of the bypass. Once that's in, that's it. Right, guys, I'm just showing how I put the return pipe back in and it clips in. Right, anyway, that's all done now. I've pressurized it to 1 bar and there's no leaks. So plate changer, the bypass, the expansion vessel all in. Now I just gotta put the electronic components on, connect them on the electric wiring, and we're gonna test it out. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, Solihull or the surrounding area, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Ideal, Worcester Bosch, Valiant and many more. We repair domestic and commercial. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. We repair Gledhill boilers too, tank systems, Y plan and S plan. So if you got a broken down boiler, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right, but guys, I'm just testing out central heating. I've checked around the boiler, all is good, no leaks, nothing, and the boiler's working fine too. Now, the hard part is putting the casing back on now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the film, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling, hopefully that'll keep you happy. Right guys, sorted this trolley out, bit of a challenge. The return block was gone on it was leaking, so sorted that out. So looking fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right guys, I've just done the repair for this good lady and she just wants to give me a review.
Hello, he's very professional and he's done a great job. He sorted the problem out for us, and as he's really good.
Thank you so much. That was really nice of you.